Hello everyone, my name is Nishi Paden. Today I am going to discussing about the ethical concept of artificial intelligence in decision making. As AI becomes a key part of business and technology, it's important to understand not only its benefit but also the ethical challenges it presents. Let's dive into facing the topics. Introduction to AI technologies. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to machine that's capable for the performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes the learning from data, understanding a languages, making decisions, even recognize the patterns. In a second side, it's also help too. AI is already a transformating decision making call across the industries from healthcare to finance and even customer service. But as we integrate AI into these circular areas, we must also examine its ethical appreciations, benefits of AI. So, what are the benefits of decision making? First, AI significant enhance the efficiency. It can process the vast amount of the data, lights and bits. AI can make a decision across the multiple scenarios and simulatory. And lastly, AI can help the remove the human biases, making a decision more objective. Drawbacks of AI in a decision making. The first of biases of discriminations, privacy issues, security risk, dependency, and ethical demands. AI make mistakes. Moreover, AI system can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, which can lead the unfair decision and especially in a sensitive areas like hiring or leading. Finally, over relying on AI cloud dismiss the human's oversights, leaving the circular decisions in the hand over algorithm and that we might not fully understand. Ethical concerns. AI is accountability, privacy issues, and societal impacts. AI decision making can address ethical issues like a basis and accountancy if an AI system used in hiring and training basis data. Impact of company decision making.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's now, how does AI impacts companies? On the one hand, AI can give a business competitive advantages. It's allow a faster, more data-driven decision that can improve our efficiency and profitability. However, it's misused. In this one, it's also the need of the governance. This should giving me information about the ethical concept of AI in a decision making, ethical farm work, privacy, transparency, accountability, and basis. The ethical farm works is percentage is very high, and accountability is another causes where it's often unclear who is responsible when AI. In a conclusion, the some more points are I am illustrated in this slide, like AI improves efficiency, AI boosts accurately, and ethical concerns and finding the right balance. This I will also mention the some reference from which is only on my research basis. Thank you for watching this video and give me the feedback. Thank you.